What's up, everybody? My name is Jimmy D, and I'm here to talk to you about Anyone Can Learn Guitar. This is my life's work. I've spent over 30 plus years acquiring this information, studying with some of the most knowledgeable guitar players that have been on the planet for the last 50 years or so. The most exciting part about it to me is that this is a radically different new method. And the reason why I say that is this method creates guitar thinkers, not just guitar players. If you just want to learn a couple songs and be a campfire strummer, we're probably not for you. But if you want to understand the instrument, you're in the right place right now. If you're good enough at math to understand 2 + 2 = 4, you're good enough at math to understand our teaching methods. You're good enough at math to understand the Nashville number system. You're good enough at math to learn all the music theory that you're going to need to improvise, to play guitar solos, to play all the different styles that you'd like to play. Now, I'm excited about this because I've seen this work in real time. I've had over 1,000 private students. I've had students quit their jobs to become career musicians. I've had students become blues guitar players, rock guitar players, bluegrass players, gospel players, rock players, metal players, country players, jazz players, you name it. I've had students get major label publishing deals as songwriters, implementing the techniques that I'm going to share with you on Anyone Can Learn Guitar. We're going to give you an understanding of the instrument. You're not going to look at it and be perplexed anymore, and it won't take very long. Now, most of our course is based around a couple of core secrets. The first one, and the one that I'm the absolute most excited to share with all of you, is the guitar cheat code. The guitar cheat code. Many video games come with the cheat code. Now, what if the guitar had a cheat code too? It absolutely does. Absolutely. And it's so simple. It's a 7-digit formula, and once you memorize it, it just opens up the fretboard for you, and it will help you understand scales and chords and how to put everything together. This is a closely guarded secret amongst a handful of mostly Nashville guitar players. And I want to share this secret with as many people as possible. The reason why it's so important is because I've seen people start from scratch and get an instant understanding of the fretboard with the cheat code. I've seen musicians that have played the guitar for 20, 30 years and go, oh my gosh, all of a sudden I understand this thing. That's our first core secret that we want to share with you. Our second core secret is the bad note approach. I developed this one on my own. This was a result of working in different musical formats with lots of horn players and lots of jazz musicians. The bad note approach is amazing because there's always more good notes than there are bad notes in any musical scenario. There's not a sound that you can make where there's fewer good notes than there are bad ones. So the bad note approach, it allows you to visualize the guitar from the perspective of, these are the notes that I should not play. Not the ones that I should play, but the ones that I should not play. The reason why that's important is because the visual is so much easier that way. A light bulb just comes on when people visualize the fretboard like this. And I've seen this one open up a lot of doors for guitar players as well. Our third core secret, not as much a secret as much as it is just demystifying something, and we're going to take all of the guesswork out of the Nashville number system for you. The Nashville number system is so simple. If you can do 2 + 2 = 4, you can understand the Nashville number system. The reason why this is important is once you garnish a basic understanding of how chord progressions work, you start to see that there's a million songs with the same chord progression. We're not trying to teach you a bunch of songs. We're trying to give you the ingredients for you to figure out all the songs. And I've seen this work time and time again. I'm super stoked to share it with as many people as possible. We're brand new. Our methods are radically different. We're brand spanking new. So right now we're offering our class at a founder's rate of like $12 a month. It's gonna go up. This is information you're not gonna find anywhere else. I'm gonna be there with you every step of the way, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. I'm Jimmy D. Thanks everybody, and peace.